Hello dear friends, today I'd like to share with you how to make the nylon long chain zipper. Please turn to our QQ catalog, page 20. So from the page 20 until page 22, until here, okay. You can see many machines about to make the nylon long chain zipper. Okay, so let me show you the all machines by this photo. First, you need a zipper center and second center rolling machine. Third, Java pin force taper making machine, and this is the cold forming machine. This is stamping machine. This is the zipper sample dyeing testing machine. Very small one. Inside has a table cup, a small cup inside. You can test different color before you do the made matte production. Okay. And zipper dyeing bobbin. Before you do the dyeing, the big bobbin. So let me show you from our catalog. For example, okay, you can see the bobbin here. Okay, bobbin first need to do the wrapping, and then go to the dyeing machine. And this is after dyeing it ironing and long chain winding machine to make it to be, for example, 200 meters or 400 meters per long. And this is the anchoring machine. Okay, machines is here. Raw material is here. Main things is you need yarn to make the center core and yarn to make the zipper tape. And you need the monofilament to make the nylon chain, like this one. Okay, monofilament to make the nylon chain. And then you need a serine threader. So this is the raw material, main raw material that you need. If you need to get more details, you can send email to us to get some leaflet such this one. We will send to you. In here you can see the outer bolt for number 3, number 5, and you can see the total power, wattage, and the machine size. All details you can find from our every leaflet. Okay, you can see the details from our leaflet. And we also have a many video. Let me show you some video. Okay, you can see many videos from YouTube. Or if you want to get the videos through WeChat or WhatsApp, you are welcome to send email to us. We will send all these videos to you. So dear friends, if you want to get more details about the cost and the occupied place and other details about how to make the long chain zipper, including, for example, you want to understand how you can analyze the monofilament is A quality, B quality, or C quality. You are welcome to send email to us. Thank you.